I want to do a quick unboxing of the Funshine Epress Buttercups line. That's for the infants to 3 years old. Generally, I think this product was made to go in a family childcare setting, so it works because it works well with a mixed age group. They have this, and then they also have a preschool. It's called Fireflies. So let's go ahead and look inside. So the one thing about this toddler one is it comes with 2 months worth of curriculum and activities. So you'll have actually 4 themes within that 2 months. And one thing I liked about them is they have pretty high quality books. Some of the other ones that I got, I felt like maybe they were dollar store quality from other companies, but these ones are actually ones that you'd buy from Amazon, and they're pretty high quality. They're ones you can put out in the room, and they're sturdy board books that the kids can hold and look at and outside of the learning time, just on their free time. And then it comes with these 12 activity packs, or just 12 activities. So they're bunched in these bags. Sometimes there's a couple within one. So this is actually the teacher pack, and then the activities are separate in these, kind of laid out with the dates on them. And you'll see they're each individually wrapped here. So this one has like 1 activity in it. And one thing, so I've done this already for half a month. This is my second box. And you'll have 1 or 2 activities in each little bag. It is convenient just to pull that out. It has, for the most part, everything in there. You definitely will need to provide your own glue, tape, scissors, paint, things like that, but they provided the little stickers or the sticks or, kind of unusual things that you might have to go shopping for. They've pretty much done that for you. And then you use your activity guide to tell you how to do each one of these. So in the preschool one, you would actually get 12 activities per month, and this is 12 activities over 2 months. So less with this younger age, but some of them are spread over, like you'll actually work on them for a few days during the week. So you might have 1 per week, you might have 2 per week. You just, and it's good because it doesn't get overwhelming. Sometimes too many with the younger age groups gets a little bit overwhelming. So inside the teacher pack, you've got, often they give you some kind of like manipulative, the other lines that I've gotten that are box curriculums, it seems like they come with more manipulatives, but these are high quality. They're chunkier, they're probably expensive, but for 6 kids to use, 5 or 6 kids, it's not very many in there. You would almost want to order some more of those. And then they have these, you've got your activity cards, and then there's like picture cards that you would use at circle time, and then your materials list. And so these, you can bind those together. It's kind of just meant to be used with your activity guide. And then they do these print out pages also, and then they've got like a little puppet that you can make to use at circle time, and that's what they give you the stick for. I kind of used those. I don't know, it was not my thing completely, but the kids did enjoy the little cat from the last month one, so I don't know, I guess can keep using them. Some of them are kind of cutesy, I don't know. So in this guide, you see they cover what I didn't get in this pack because it's not my first one, but it's your starter pack. And then inside it gives you ideas of what to do at circle time, and then you've got your infant ideas, and then it tells you what to do for like your classroom setup and your centers, and then it goes into each day. So you have, each 1 page, 1 day, and that's kind of nice because at a glance you've got these 4 simple activities. You can, try to get to them all for the most part, because in a family childcare setting, the day gets away with you, things happen, and you can't do everything.